Good morning, friends. In this video, we will continue our previous year question series, and this is going to be the question number 4. So, let's get started. The question is the en ending to denote the plural nouns. It means we have some nouns and they are plural. At the end of each and every word, we have to see en, as in like oxen, children, brethren, has survived from the. It means where has this rule been taken from? Number A, Old Middle English pronouncing custom of plurals. Number B, Anglo-Norman case of making plural nouns. Number C, Middle English hymnal and chants in English parishes. Number D, Old English practice of making plural nouns. So the answer will be option number D. It means Old English practice of making plural nouns. So see something more about this here. Must singular nouns form the plural by adding s. It means we have to use plural by adding s at the end of most of the nouns. For example, for boat we have to write boats. For house we have to write houses. A singular noun ending s, z, x, z, ch, sh makes the plural by adding es. It means when we have S, Z, X, CH, SH at the end of any noun, we have to use ES at the end of that word to make it in plural. For example, bus, buses, wishes, peaches, boxes. A singular noun ending to a consonant Y, then Y makes the plural by dropping the Y and adding IES. It means when we have Y at the end of each noun, and after before that noun we have any consonant sound, we have to convert y to into I, then es. It means BABY. At the end of this word we have y, before y we have a consonant word b, so y will be converted into I. After that we have to use es. It means baby babies, diary diaries, cities. So all the above rules, it means all the rules are Old English practice of making plural nouns. And thank you. Good morning, friends. In this video, we will continue our previous year question series. And this is going to be the question number 5. The question is, what type of writing did Walter Peter define as the special and opportune art of the modern world? It means Walter Peter defined the special and opportune art of modern world. Which type of writing? A. The lyric. B. Comic drama. C. Non-fiction prose. D. Novel. The answer of this question will be option number C. Non-fiction prose. Let's see something more about this here. Walter Horatio Peter, 1839 to 1894. It means he was born in 1839 and he was died in 1894. Bigot on Christianity, basically popular in works on Renaissance subjects. Popular in works on Renaissance subject in visited Florence, Pisa, and Raven. Mainly, Peter was a fictional writer, English essayist, literary, and art critic, and one of the greatest stylists. It means when we talk about Walter Peter, he was a fictional writer, English essayist, literary, and art critic, and one of the stylists. Walter Peter defined non-fictional prose as the special and opportune art of modern world. It means when we see something about that has been written, the special and opportune art of the modern world, this has been defined by Walter Peter. it's a non-fictional prose. Basically, literary work is based on facts, even though it may contain fictional elements. Although literary work is based on facts, even it may have some fictional elements. His non-fictional works, it means the work of Mr. Walter Peter, and non-fictional work number A, The Picture of Dorian Gray. It was came in 1890. Number 2, The Age of Innocence, Edith Wharton's. This work came in 1920. Praised as a wonderful new volume. And number 3, The Renaissance. It was came in 1873. And number 4th, Marius the Epicurean. It was came in 1885. Thank you. Good morning, friends. In this video, we will continue our previous year's question series, and this is going to be question number 6. So let's get started. Which of the following statement is true of The Way of the World? Here we have a work. The name of that work is The Way of the World, and we have to find out a statement that is true. So we have option A, The Way of the World failed on the stage. Number B, Millamant and Maribel failed to obtain the consent of Millamant's aunt for their marriage. Number C, The Way of the World was performed and published in 1702. Number D, The Way of the World presents a heroine pretending to love an older man. So the correct answer for this question is going to be option number A. It means The Way of the World failed on stage. See more about this. William Congreve, 1670 to 1729, was English playwright, written numerous plays, but vital impression of The Way of the World was regarded as one of the best restoration comedy. It means our work, The Way of the World, is a restoration comedy, and the poet of this work is William Congreve. He was born in 1670 and died in 1729. He was an English playwright and he has written numerous plays. Nowadays, it occasionally performed. It means the work, The Way of the World, does not perform much more. It is performed occasionally. Initially, however, the play struck many audience members as continuing the immortality of the previous decades. Its setting was London. The setting of this work was in London. Date premiered what? 1700 and published in 1702. It's a restoration comedy feature can be seen easily on the opposition of the witty, courtly rake and the dull-witted man of business or the country bumpkin. But the play, The Way of the World, like another plays of restoration, did not found glory on the stage. It did not find glory on the stage, but failed on a stage which attacks on aristocratic privilege. Thank you.